Hey, what's happening, St. Vincent and the Grenadines? St. Vincent, you remain Island of Herbs back here again with another video. It's been a few days since I haven't done a video. Truth be told, my mindset was quite out of it. Going through quite a trying time. Ups and downs. That's how life is. Had to be utilizing the passion fruit flower and lime blossom, to help me to be calm, help with the nervousness and the anxiety. But that's that's the beauty of life. Ups and downs. Just gotta keep going ahead. So what I'm focused on here is a plant, scientific name called Salpina per okay, and it's also called peacock flower, dwarf poinciana, flower fence, um, pride of Barbados because it's the national flower of Barbados. See the flowers here look like peacocks. And you have the red to orange flowers with the gold tinge at the end, the showy petals, the flowers. And part of the scientific name actually means very pretty. It's in the pea family, Fabiaceae. It's native to the West Indies, the tropics and the subtropics. There are two species in the nursery trade. This one, Cisalpina pulcherrimia, and the other one is Gillespie. So this one is the Cisalpina, and this one is the yellow one, which is a yellow paradise, yeah, red paradise flower. And this one here is used by the medicine men of the Amazon forest, the Amazon area, along with Cisalpina, this red one here, and it used to treat sores, fever, and cough. And these plants can grow to over 5 meters tall. See, this one is very, very tall. And various parts of the plant can be used: the flowers, the seed pods, the leaves, said to be antimicrobial. The bark also can be used. The roots are abortifacient. There's this 17th century artist called Marion, and she recollected her experience there on the Dutch colony of Suriname, and she was saying that the native Indians and the Africans use the flowers to abort children when they didn't want to have children by the slave masters. If the Dutch slave masters didn't treat them well, they would use the flowers to abort children, and also the seeds to commit suicides. And she documented that the Indians, they wanted to be treated fairly, so they said that unless they get treated fairly, they're not going to be having children for the slave masters. And also the Africans from New Guinea and Angola, they said the same thing: unless they don't get treated, they're not going to be making any children. So back then, these slaves, when they didn't want to make children, throw away children, as we would say, abort. This can be used in abortifacient, or as we say in herbal medicine, immunagogue. When you have when ladies, women have absent periods, this class of immunagogues can help to bring their periods. So it's quite a lot of medicinal uses coming out here, and they started to discuss this plant around 1657 there, from what I read. And like I said, it's a national flower of Barbados called Pride of Barbados, and the immature seeds can be used. You have to be very careful, or it will poison you. Okay, those of Cisalpina, this red one, yeah, immature seeds can be used, and also can be used as a abortifacient. Okay, so can be used to help with digestive problems like dysentery, like when you have ulcers, gastritis, so many benefits coming out of it. In Indonesia, it's used as an anticonvulsant.